Hi, today we're going to talk about the SecuX series of hardware wallets. We're basically going to go through an unboxing and a quick introduction. I will show you how to get the wallet set up and finally give just a quick overview of how to use the wallet. SecuX is a Taiwanese startup specializing in blockchain security products, and they've recently released a series of 3 hardware wallets that we're going to go over in a minute. Now I'll briefly go over the 3 different models of hardware wallet offered by SecuX at the moment. Top of the line flagship V20 is their main hardware wallet, and the main features of this one are the really solid aluminum case as well as Bluetooth connectivity. You got USB-C for charging as well as USB connectivity, and of course the 2.8-inch touchscreen which you can use to interact with the wallet functions. Alright, so this is a great wallet if you want the top of the line hardware wallet to keep your cryptocurrencies. Next in line is the W20. It's also got the Bluetooth connectivity and micro USB for USB connections as well as charging the battery. And again, 2.8-inch touchscreen. Yeah, it's just a great wallet for everyday use. And finally, last but not least, we have the W10. So this is really great for occasional use if you're looking for a deep cold storage wallet that you're not going to be using too much, and just really to keep your cryptocurrency in cold storage. This is probably the one to get. So it's got no battery. That means you'll be relying on the USB connectivity, but it works really great. Okay, when you receive the SecuX hardware wallet, the first thing you want to do is check the security seals on the box and on the hardware wallet itself. So if the seal has been tampered with at all or someone has tried to remove it, this is what it will look like. As you can see, the background won't be black anymore. It sort of has this void text underneath. So this is the V20 model. And inside the box, we have this hardware wallet. It's very nice. And you can also see here the tamper-resistant sticker on the device itself. Underneath this is the port for charging as well as connecting via USB. Okay, let's take a look at the W20 wallet. Let's just open this up. So first we're going to remove the shrink wrap. Alright, so again, you want to check the seal is intact before you get started. This one looks pretty good. Just open that up. Okay, and there we go. That's the W20. And as always, you want to check the security seal on the USB port. Make sure that's intact and looking good. Now underneath the box here, you'll have some other things. Let's see what we got. There's a quick start guide and recovery sheets. We got 2 of those. And there is a microfiber case and a charging cable, which also can be used as the data cable for USB connections. Alright, well, to turn on the device initially, you can press the on-off button, and that turns on the device here. And the PIN code is stored in the device's secure element chip, and it never leaves the device, so it's very secure. Alright, the first step of the process is to set a device PIN. So this will protect the hardware wallet itself if anybody steals the wallet, and it will prevent the thief from accessing your funds. Now you can set a device name, basically set this to anything that you like. So we'll set it to SecuX. Alright. And now you'll be given the option to either set this up as a completely new device or recover from an existing seed that you've written down already. Since this is the first time we're doing this, we'll configure it as a new device. Alright, so this will just give a basic explanation of how to back up the seed words. So these words are basically a recovery option that you have for the device. So it's very important to write them down on a piece of paper. Don't fall to the temptation of typing them into an email or something like that on your computer. Because the computer or any digital device is potentially accessible by outside parties by hacking or whatever, it's really a great idea to write these words down on paper. And then you'll be asked to enter those words again, just to make sure that you have written the words down correctly, and this is really important. Since you'll be storing your funds on here, if you lose these words or if you didn't write them down correctly, you could potentially lose your funds. The recovery words are randomly generated by the device. The device has a secure element chip inside it, which is basically randomly generates the words every time. So every time you create a new wallet, it's a completely new wallet that's never been viewed or accessed by anybody and is completely generated by the device and never leaves the device. I just want to emphasize again the importance of keeping your recovery words safe. The recovery words and the PIN are stored on the secure element inside the device, so they're very safe in the device. But if anything happens to the device, it's broken or lost, it's essential that you have the recovery sheet with the recovery words to restore your funds. First, we're going to show how to connect the V20 with the iPhone using Bluetooth. So the first thing you want to do is go into the Bluetooth menu and turn on the Bluetooth function. And you notice in the app, which you can download from the App Store called SecuX, the SecuX will pop up. So we'll just click on that. Now it's going to give you a one-time password that you have to enter. So we'll go ahead and enter that. And press link, and there we go. To connect to your Android phone via Bluetooth, first turn on your device and enter the PIN, and then you'll go to the Bluetooth menu and turn it on. And on your phone, you'll need to open the Chrome browser and go to the SecuX website. You can just Google SecuX and you'll find their website, which is secuxtech.com. And you'll see a link on the website for a wallet. And just open the wallet up, and this opens the interface. If you're on the mobile phone, it'll directly bring you to this Bluetooth icon here. So we're in the Bluetooth menu here, and just tap on Bluetooth. Chrome will ask you to authorize this connection, so we'll go to pair. All right, now on the wallet, it'll show the one-time password, so we got to enter that. Okay, there we go. So that wraps up our video for today. Really, it's a great series of hardware wallets. The big screen is really easy to use, so that's a big advantage. And the secure element on the device makes sure that all of the key information and private keys are stored in the device and never leave. As well, SecuX is highly committed to their new series of products, and you'll get great support from them either on Amazon or via the website at secuxtech.com.